And so this is Christmas. I hope you have fun. So it's Christmas, St. Augustine. I've been bar hopping from, let's see, Old Coast Ales, Milltop, and then I hit Stogie's. And yeah, it's Christmas night here. There's a shitload of tourists here. So yeah, St. Augustine, Florida. It's crazy right now. That's about it. I'm gonna go back over the bridge. There's a karaoke bar over there, and it should be open. And yeah, I'm just enjoying the scenery. And anyway, Merry Christmas to all. No matter what is going on in your life. I know there's a lot of shit going down nowadays, but fuck it. Yeah, there's the Christmas tree. See, I said it was Christmas. Anyway, cute little dogs down there. But anyway, yeah, this is Christmas, St. Augustine. We are all lit up. I'm gonna show like a distance view of this. So about 20 years ago, I drove through this town. I saw this, and I was like, "Damn, this place is dope as fuck." So I decided to stay here, and yeah, it's kind of like Spectre, if you ever seen the movie Big Fish. And it's a magical place. This is St. Augustine, Florida. So this is, yeah, like I said, Christmas. And what does it mean? Well, to some people, it's spending time with your family. To other people, it's finding a bar that's open so you could forget about dealing with your family. Which, that's fine. Here's what I will say though. You find a bartender that serves you beer, you tip them well today, because I mean, these people are spending time away from their family, and I mean, the traffic's fucking nuts. But yeah, they're spending time away from their family to serve you alcohol, so you get drunk, so you could forget that you had to deal with them. It's kind of a weird irony in a way. Maybe irony isn't the right word. About to head to work, and that's how I'm starting off my new year. So hopefully it gets better than this, because I don't want to work another New Year's Eve. The problem is my computer, I'm going to show it when I do the editing, you'll see. It's at 66% and it's fully charged, so I need to change the battery. However, if I change the battery and I don't know what I'm doing, which I don't know what I'm doing, I could lose all my information. So I got one of these, it says WD, I don't know what the hell that means, but it's an external hard drive, so I'm not really, the My Passport. So I got a My Passport external hard drive. I don't know how many gigs or tera or whatever bytes there are, but there's bytes nonetheless. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer all the video footage I put on recently onto that thing, and then I'm going to change the battery. And hopefully when I change the battery, my laptop will still work, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. It's going to be fun either way, right? I mean, you never know what's going to happen. That's the excitement in this all. It's like Geraldo when he looked for Al Capone's vault. You never knew what was going to happen. Hopefully the outcome is much better than that, though. So we'll see. Okay, so what I'm noticing, I'm also going to have to clean this screen off because it's got like, I don't know what it is. So I guess I'm going to use Windex. I think I used a sanitizer wipe on it. And now it's got like a film to it, so it's kind of, eh. Anyway, yeah, so this is going to flip ya. Just like he says in, what do you call it? The hell is that? Like food particles and shit. Maybe that's why it's all fucked. Okay. And I guess there's, there's, I don't know what the hell's going on with this, but I'm going to have to get rid of those screws. I think there's probably something underneath here I'm going to have to pull off to get the thing off. So I have to get this cover off the bottom. I don't know if it's called a cover. And then I got to put the, yeah, we'll see. So yeah, this is my toolkit. It's got a whole bunch of options on it and whatnot. and I have no idea. So while I'm going through my toolkit, I notice I've got these guitar picks. I don't know why. I mean, maybe there's something else, but they look like guitar picks to me. And I've got like 1,000 of them in here. So I don't know if that's like, hey, maybe you suck at putting computers together, or you should learn to play guitar. I don't know if that's what they're trying to say, but whatever. So as you can see, right here are the screws on one end. And right here is this little cover. So it's right there, that's the cover thing. So what I do is I take this little spatula thing, I'm sure there's a more technical term for it, I just go like that, and then it'll just peel right off. Whoops. Like so. Okay, so I've removed all the screws from here and here, and I have this mat right here. It's a magnetic, so it'll keep all the screws. So being that it's magnetic, what I remember like from pop culture and all, anything that's magnetic near your hard drive will erase its memory. At least I remember from what do you call it? Breaking Bad. Yeah, magnets, bitch. And then I get right here, and I could see there are two camouflage John Cena screws. The reason why they're John Cena screws is because you can't see them. Okay, so this is what the inside looks like, and I am super scared. I have to separate this wire, and then it's connected right here once I get that part separated. Hope I don't get zapped. It's like one of those scenes in a movie where there's like a bomb and then you have to figure out how to detach it without blowing anything up. Very strange how this just oh, I got it. I got it. All right. Woo. Okay, and it didn't blow up, so that's good. Now I just gotta lift out the battery and then fun fact, years ago, I changed my starter. Changed my starter on my car, and what happened, okay, is that right, or is this upside down? What happened was I accidentally, I'm freaking worried, I accidentally hotwired my car. So hopefully nothing like that happens. The battery's put in place. I hope I hooked it up right. The screws are all screwed in. The little tab is tabbed up. The only thing left to do now is to charge up the battery. I'm a little nervous. Okay, so I have no idea what's about to happen. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, well, that went away. I think maybe my hand hit something. Oh, this is exciting. Pad's acting weird. Very weird. That's okay. So good news. I just got my mouse. I turned my laptop on. Check it out. Check this out. I turned it on, and something popped up. And see if I got Netflix. You know, the most important thing. Okay, now. Oh, sound. We got sound. Whatever. Mission accomplished, right? Yeah, buddy.